Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for choice and the games business easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily on a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first of all, let's build with Wix editor. Now here you can enter your business type or your website type, choice and games. So for example, let's choose this. You can choose whatever you want. For me, I'm gonna choose this. Now wait a few seconds, preparing your dashboard. Now if you wanna enter your store name, type any name you want, and let's continue. Do you already have an online store? If you already have one or not, choose. Now let's continue. What would you like to sell? Physical products, dropshipping products and services, and digital products. So let's continue. What would you like to sell? Online store in my mobile app and in person and marketplaces and social media. So let's continue to dashboard. So design your site. Now how would you like to design your website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this, it's more easier. So let's get started. Now enter your information. If you wanna add your logo, if you wanna change your business name, here if you wanna change your email or add a new email, if you wanna add your address, and here if you wanna add your phone, and here if you wanna add a social link. So let's move on. Now pick a theme you like, for example this. Pick your favorite homepage design. So for example this. Now let's move on. Now add page to your site. Now wait a few seconds to preparing the homepage designs. Now your site is up and running, so if you wanna edit more, click here, go to editor. This is your homepage website. So this is the list of your homepage. So if you wanna add elements, click here. And this is the first elements of the list, the text elements. So here you can edit the shape or the form of the text. Also the titles, you can edit the shape or the form of the titles. And also the paragraphs, you can edit the shape or the forms of the paragraphs. Now let's move on to the image. Here if you wanna upload image, or if you wanna import image, if you're looking for free Wix image, or for some free Wix illustrations, so you can find them here. Now let's move on to the buttons. The button elements, here you find the theme buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons, the document buttons, and the iTunes buttons. So you can choose any one of these. You can add this on your home page at any place as you like. Also you'll find the payments buttons, so you have to add some payments buttons on your home page. Now let's move on to the strip. You find it classic, featured, about, services, contact and welcome, and testimonials and theme. So that's it. Now let's move on to the decorative. Also here we find the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines and vertical lines. And here we find featured, icons, animals and nature, and logos and badges and characters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here video elements. If you want to add something like video box, or video mask, or transparent video. So that's it. Now let's move on to the boxes. Here you find the themed boxes, container boxes, the hover boxes, and the tabs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here you find the galleries. If you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you wanna add pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you wanna show more galleries. So that's it. Now let's move on to the menus and anchor. Here you find the themed menus, the horizontal menus and the vertical menus, and here we find the in-page navigation. If you wanna add something like anchor and the in-page menu, and here find the search, the site search. So that's it. Now let's move on to the contract and forms. Here you find the forms, the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms, the request forms, the waiver forms, and subscribe forms. So that's it. Now let's move on to the Google Maps. Here you find the normal maps and the full width maps. Now let's move on to the next. Here you find the shots, the Wix shots, and the line share button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the video and the music. If you want to add something like single video players, or Wix video, or video box, or video mask, or transparent video, or if you want to add something from the music elements like audio players, or Wix music, or SoundCloud player, or Spotify player, or iTunes button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the interactive. Here you'll find the full the slideshows. If you want to add something from the full width slideshows, or from the box slideshows, or if you want to add something from the light boxes, welcome or subscribe or promotion and contact, or if you want to add something from the boxes, the hover boxes and the tabs, or if you want to add something from the repeaters, the hover repeaters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the list. Also here we find the repeaters and the hover repeaters and the blank, so you can add any one of these on your home page. Now let's move on to the next. Here you find the embed code. If you wanna custom popular embeds, if you wanna add something from the video, if you wanna add single video players, if you wanna add something from the audio section like SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button, if you wanna add something from the advanced elements like marketing tools or the velotive mode, or if you wanna add something from the animation elements. So that's it. Now let's move on to the social bar. If you wanna add something from the social bar, select any one of these. You can add it on your home page. If you want to add something from the Facebook link, or if you want to add something like Twitter link or Pinterest link or VK link or line share button, line share link, or if you want to add YouTube link or channel or anything like this. Now let's move on to the payment section. Here if you wanna add payments buttons, or if you wanna add something like payments forms, if you wanna add something from the pricing plans. Also here we can add something from the store elements. So that's it. Now let's move on to CMS. Here you can easily manage your site content and you can use the CMS. You can show your expertise and engage with your audience. You can add something from the store, or you can add something from the bookings section like the bookings elements or the related elements or the pricing plans. Here you can create and manage events. You can manage the community section, and here you can manage your designs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here if you want to add section, click here, select any section from here you want to add on your home page. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. If you want to add page, so here you can add page as you like. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. If you want to design your site, or if you want to customize your site design, you can edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. You can add apps. Here if you want to manage your business. Here if you want to upload your media, you can edit images and videos. Here if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos. Here if you want to use the CMS, if you want to easily manage your site content. And here if you want to manage your email marketing or Google ads. Here you can manage your Google ads, or here you can manage your Facebook ads, or SEO, or social media marketing, or marketing integrations. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website, all you have to do now is click here, publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.